Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In today's quick guide, I will show you how to change your email address on your GoodBudget account using your mobile application. So let's get started. First, open your GoodBudget account. Now tap on the three dots icon usually located at the top right corner of the screen and go to the settings and tap on the Manage Household on the web section. Here you can actually edit a lot of things. For now, we are trying to change our email address. So here, just erase your current email address. Now enter your desired email address. Then just scroll down and tap Save. You'll likely receive a confirmation or verification email at your new address. So don't forget to check your inbox and confirm it. As of now, changing the email address must be done on the website, not through the mobile application. And yes, that's how you change your email address on GoodBudget. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.